And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking towards downtown Lethbridge about 40 minutes ago there. Just the last ray of sunshine, and we just missed it. It was almost like a little aurora borealis action going on there. I'm sure it was just the sun refracting through some ice crystals there. But right now we have a few clouds. We're at minus 20 degrees. We were down to minus 23 at 8 a.m. We haven't varied much. Minus 19 at 11 a.m. was our daytime high, and we stayed there for a few hours. Temperatures all over southeastern BC and southern Alberta, reflecting the fact that we're in a northeasterly flow for much of the day. It's just kind of swung back and forth, but temperatures all over in the cool minus numbers. But the good news is we only have one more day of minus double-digit values, and then we'll be getting into minus single-digit values, and then we'll be getting into, dare I say, some positive numbers. We're still seeing some bands of precipitation being pushed in from the BC coast, several low-pressure centers through the northern, central, and southern areas of the coastal regions, pushing across. So it's broken. Some areas are seeing bits of flurry activity. Some areas are seeing cloud cover. Some areas are seeing sunshine. So it's not one organized low. It's actually several lows that are trying to move through. But we do have an area of high pressure up north that is going to slide into southern Alberta. And as it does so, the angle of that is going to create some clearer skies to the northern and southern sections of the province. Now, for you folks in BC, southern areas in through the Cranbrook area, you'll be seeing a lot of sunshine for the next little while, but areas like Revelstoke and areas to the north will be seeing a fair amount of cloud cover in the mix, and it's just got to do with the way the area of high pressure is sliding in. So some areas are just going to be on the cusp of that area of high pressure and not really be benefiting in terms of clearing skies. But here in southern Alberta, we will be seeing that area of high pressure dig in nicely as we head towards the weekend. And as I was talking to Daryl about the fact that we may be seeing the New Year's in, right now it looks like we'll be starting to see positive numbers right around that time mark. So that's the good news. Radar activity, it's pretty quiet right now. We got some high thin cloud in some areas. Areas to the north saw some ice crystals. Calgary dealt with some of that today as well. But here in the south, we're looking at pretty clear skies right now. We should continue that into the overnight hours. Forecaster is indicating that clearing trend that we have here right now. Areas to the west, the higher elevations, as I said, areas Revelstoke north are going to be seeing that snowfall really continue. But for you folks in the south in Cranbrook, you're just in that little protected pocket, so you'll be seeing some cloud cover move in mixed with some sunny breaks as well. So that'll be very pleasant. I know that Jake here was out skiing there just a couple of days ago and really enjoying that. So that trend is going to continue as far as really good conditions go. Minus 3 degrees in St. John's right now. You see the minus values here. Watching a system in the southern Great Lakes. It's going to be rotating up through southern Ontario, southern Quebec into the Maritimes. Already have watches and warnings in place for heavy snowfall, winter storm warnings right along the St. Lawrence, and then heavy rainfall warnings as that system makes its way into the Maritimes, specifically through the Nova Scotia area. Minus 20 degrees, and it's actually sunny in Winnipeg right now. We got some ice crystals through Regina and Saskatoon. Minus 17 and light snow in Edmonton right now. 0 in Kelowna. We've got some rain on the coast in Vancouver. Up north in Whitehorse right now, looking at blowing snow, and of course the wind chill values are much greater than what you see on the screen as far as temperature goes. But Whitehorse, actually, or Yellowknife rather, managed to see some sunshine today, so that was good for them. East Kootenay, you're looking at that chance of flurry activity tonight down to minus 10. Tomorrow minus 5 for a daytime high. That chance of morning flurries, but then you'll see some sun and cloud in the afternoon hours. Crow's Nest Pass, a few clouds tonight down to minus 7 degrees, or rather a daytime high of minus 7 degrees after an overnight low of minus 23, but you'll have mainly sunny skies tomorrow. That'll be very pleasant. Medicine Hat, partly cloudy tonight down to minus 20. Sun and cloud for you tomorrow, minus 15 degrees. You're still in that northwesterly flow pattern, so a little chilly there. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight down to minus 22. Tomorrow, winds are shifting to the southwest, minus 14 for a daytime high. And in the ensuing days after that, you're looking at very nice temperatures as we start to climb out of the deep freeze. We've got minus 6 as we head into Saturday, minus 2 on Sunday. I was conservative. I put 0. Some of the forecast models are pumping in a little warmer air mass and talking about temperatures of between 2 and 4 degrees. So I'll go with conservative on the freezing mark, but beyond that, we will be seeing positive numbers. Now, yes, holiday headaches. You've probably been indulging in some spirits, some cheese, lots of chocolate, MSG, those kinds of things can give you headaches as well. So just ease back on those as you head out of the Christmas season. We can't help you with your holiday bills, but we can help you with your holiday diet. And that's our Live Better tip for this week. Have a safe evening, everyone. See you tomorrow.